LED bathroom mirrors have become a staple in modern bathrooms, combining vanity lighting with reflective surfaces to improve makeup precision, skincare routines, and overall bathroom ambiance. The category often balances brightness, color temperature accuracy, anti-fog performance, and installation flexibility, all while maintaining a slim, water-resistant form factor.
Product number 1. Loau 24 by 32 LED bathroom mirror with lights. Loau delivers a balanced, feature-rich 32 by 24-inch mirror with both backlit and frontlit lighting, enabling a bright, even wash of light for makeup and grooming. The unit is dimmable with 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K, and includes a fog-free function with a center-focused heating element paired to a memory function that recalls the last setting after use. It is designed for either plug-in or hardwired installation and uses 5mm tempered glass for safety and clarity. The inclusion of a memory function and dual lighting sources stands out, along with ETL listing for safer electrical use. Prospective buyers should note the center-biased defogger may not defog edge-to-edge uniformly, and the color accuracy depends on the room's ambient temperature and the chosen color setting. In practice, the Loau mirror excels for users who want a no-fuss, reliable defog experience and a flexible lighting scheme for different times of day. The dual lighting system reduces shadows when applying makeup and shaving, while the memory function simplifies daily routines by restoring lost used brightness and color. Installation is adaptable to both vertical and horizontal orientations, though mounting hardware is optimized for wall mounting with 2 Z-bar brackets. With 17.46-pound weight, it remains sturdy yet easier to maneuver during installation compared with heavier models.
Product number 2. 24 by 32-inch LED mirror for bathroom. Kolsky offers a 24 by 32-inch mirror with independently controllable front and back lighting, 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6500K, and stepless dimming from 10% to 100%. The mirror is IPX4+ rated for moisture resistance and ships with a fast-heating anti-fog function that clears the surface within minutes. It uses 5mm HD nano-tempered glass with high CRI greater than 95 for color fidelity and includes memory for last brightness and color settings. The product is designed for both plug-in and hardwired use, with a robust hardware supply and a 3-year protection plan. In daily use, Kolsky shines as a versatile option for households that want separate control over front and back illumination, which can be advantageous when attempting to reduce glare or emphasize certain features during makeup. The high CRI and anti-fog reliability are standout features, particularly in humid bathrooms. The long power cord and inclusion of mounting hardware simplify installation, though the 20.6-pound weight means you'll need solid wall support. The IPX4+ rating provides reasonable moisture resistance, but not full IP65 grade sealing for extended direct water exposure. Product number 3. LED bathroom mirror. Van Pokens introduces a gradient front backlit configuration with a color transition from 3000K to 6000K when the gradient mode is enabled. It supports 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4500K, and 6000K, and offers a long press to adjust brightness. The mirror emphasizes enhanced anti-fog experience, 150% coverage, and memory function for user convenience. Hanging plates enable flexible orientation, and the product supports both hardwired and plug-in installations. The gradient feature adds aesthetic appeal for premium bathrooms, but it introduces more components that could complicate maintenance. In performance terms, Van Pokens delivers strong anti-fog performance and a visually appealing gradient lighting that can elevate bathroom ambience. The 32 by 24 size aligns with common vanity setups, and the included hanging plates aid installation. For users seeking a statement piece with dynamic lighting, this model stands out.
However, the gradient mode may consume more power and require careful calibration to ensure color consistency across the surface. The product emphasizes after-sales support, which can be a deciding factor for buyers worried about installation challenges. Product number 4. 24-inch by 32-inch LED bathroom mirror with lights. Wismeals combines backlit and frontlit illumination, delivering a brighter dual-source glow with selectable color temperatures at 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K. The mirror features an anti-fog function with auto-off after 1 hour and a straightforward touch control interface to adjust brightness. The unit uses 5mm tempered glass and aluminum frame designed for vertical or horizontal mounting with plug-in or hardwired options. Its price point of $81.99 makes it an attractive value option in the category. In use, Wismeals provides reliable brightness and a comfortable color range, making it suitable for everyday grooming and skincare routines. The dual light sources help reduce shadows on the face, though some users may notice slight color shift at very low brightness. The anti-fog feature is effective for typical showers, but may require periodic cleaning to maintain edge clarity. Overall, this model stands out for value, solid build, and ease of installation at a budget-friendly price. Product number 5. 32 by 24 LED bathroom mirror with lights. Miss Kerm presents a 32 by 24-inch mirror with both backlit and frontlit illumination, offering 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K, and full dimming from 10% to 100%. A built-in defogger provides anti-fog functionality with a memory feature to recall the last setting. The mirror is tempered glass and supports both hardwired and plug-in installation. With a price point of $71.71, this model emphasizes value while delivering robust lighting performance, though the lighter weight and aluminum frame may indicate a more economical construction relative to premium rivals. In practical terms, Ms. Kerm is an excellent entry point for buyers seeking a feature-rich mirror at a lower price. The memory function and anti-fog performance are strong selling points, and the back/front lighting ensures bright, even reflected light for makeup and grooming. However, cheaper construction could translate to slightly less rigid mounting hardware and shorter overall lifespan compared with higher-priced options. If you value features over premium heft, this model delivers compelling value.